He just hit.
He just hit.
Hold on. I haven't heard a bang yet.
Ready?
Fire extinguisher. Heads up here. Heads up here. Step it up. Wait. Ted. Bang out. Shots fired! Ted's hit! Justin, I got you. Go get him. Get him. Got him. Here, pull.
It's my arm, my left arm!
See him, back! Get up!
I can't help me.
Jesus, he's inside? You got him down? He's down? Down! Are we going in?
I need something here now. I need another one. TC!
Here. Got it.
Quick.
No, it's fine. I don't feel it.
I need to check your left side. I want you to go to your back. Okay?
Here. Is this okay or no? I don't know. Emily?
Yeah.
Right here.
Yep.
He's not going to go. If you can't breathe, Jay, go to your side.
I can breathe.
Okay. Stay right there for me, please.
I'm not moving.
Okay.
Who's down?
The bad guy.
Thank you.
Stay right there for me.
I need to go on my side.
Okay, go on the side.
Come towards me. Okay. The only thing I haven't checked is his right.
All right, Jay, I'm doing a check on you, all right?
Okay.
I'm taking your vest off. If you can help, that's great. I got you, Jay.
Sounds like we got one in custody.
I'm doing a check, Jay. Check for blood. Hang on. Danny, can you check my hands right after I do this?
Nope.
You see anything?
Nope.
I'm sorry, Jay. I gotta cover your mouth a little bit.
Do you have pain anywhere else besides your face? You're good.
I had to cover your mouth.
Ambulance. Another ambulance for us at addiction. Jam around myself and run and check the rest of the house.
Who else is down?
Tad got, but he got up and walked, so.
Yep, we're nice.
Yep.
You good, John? I'm good. Coming in the house. Blue coming in the house.
Need a medic!
You're inside?
Yes!
Medic inside!